This is a brief video on how to sketch a microwave oven in Isometric. Do this a little darker than I normally would so it shows up for the camera. And I'm trying to do this quickly to show you an idea how this should work. So as you can see, I'm moving my whole arm like normal. I'm going to establish the microwave. I'm going to make my door open at 90 degrees. So you can see I'm thickening up my door a little bit. I'm going to put in a window, making sure that's parallel to the door frame. Give it a little depth. Put some glass in. Then I need to show that my microwave has depth. I also need to show that I have an operator screen where I can see numbers. I'll just put some numbers in there and maybe add some buttons. Again, make sure everything remains parallel to something else on the microwave because microwaves are square. I hope that helps.